So, my game prototype is working. Apples flying, mobile buttons added, but there is a problem. I don't like how it looks. I kept tweaking sprites one by one in the engine, and it actually got worse. In this video, I will show you how someone who has not zero but negative knowledge about design can make something that does not look horrible. I will do what smart people do. Instead of designing in the game engine, I'm going to plan everything in Aseprite first. First, I need the right canvas size. I don't remember my game resolution and I'm too lazy to double check. So I will pick 640 by 360, which I think is retro enough. If you haven't noticed, I'm very bad with visual design. So I will probably use some online palettes to make my game look not too horrible. I tried several palette generators to find colors that work together. I'm looking for like 8 colors maximum warm tones and a bit of green and olive vibes, like autumn feeling or something like that. And to be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. But I decided to pick this palette. I mean, it can't be worse than it is now, so why not? Now, to get this into Aseprite. By the way, is it Aseprite? Aseprite? No idea how to pronounce it. I call it Aseprite, so Aseprite it is. First, export the palette as an image. Second, open Aseprite palette options. Third, create new palette from the sprite. And fourth, save it for future use. So, yeah, that's my palette, ready to use. Now, I work in layers. This keeps everything organized and editable. Come on, who am I kidding here? I just use layers, but I don't do it properly, which will make it super painful for me to import assets in the game later. But it's going to happen later. So for now, I add some rough shapes of the building, just rectangles for now. One here, another there. I'm trying to check the balance and spacing, but again, who am I kidding here? Next, dark color for the base sky. I want a bit of depth, so I'm creating a parallax layer. I copy the building shapes, I place them behind, I make them smaller, and I make them dimmer using multiple blending and adjust some transparency, and it kind of works. I need to add UI elements such as wind indicator, buttons and crosshair. So I'm trying to plan everything for my game in this Aseprite image. Finally, I refine the building shapes. I make them a bit more like Gorilla's game original buildings. And I will cheat here with windows. I will just make single window and copy paste it everywhere. And yeah, I can see that it can actually look kind of nice. Almost like I know what I'm doing. Now a bit of magic and copy pasting, and my game uses the new design. It's starting to look nice after all. So my friends, here it is. Lessons learned. If you want to make your game nice, start in the image editor, not the game engine. And yeah, unless you know what you're doing, pick up some color scheme from good website. My game is not done, but I'm clearly going in the right direction. So if you want to see what happens next, or just want to see, consider subscribing, folks. It was Test Encoder. I'm out of breath. See you around.